If you're trying to deselect in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest ways to remove an active selection so you can keep editing without accidentally affecting the wrong area. Whether you're using a rectangular selection, the lasso tool, or the magic wand, deselecting is one of those simple skills that saves a lot of time once you know it. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Let's start with the fastest method. If you already have something selected and you want to clear it immediately, just use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and D at the same time. On Mac, press CMD and D. The moment you do that, your active selection will disappear. This is the most efficient option, especially if you're working quickly and you want to keep your workflow moving. Now, if you prefer using menus instead of keyboard shortcuts, Photopea also gives you a simple option for that. Look at the top menu bar and click Select. From the drop-down menu, choose Deselect. This does the exact same thing as the shortcut, but it can be easier to remember if you're just getting started or if you don't use keyboard commands often. There's also another useful method depending on the tool you're using. If you have an active selection tool selected, such as the rectangle select tool, the lasso tool, or the magic wand tool, you may be able to simply click outside the selected area on the canvas. In some cases, that will remove the selection or help reset what you're working on. This is a handy option to know, especially when you're experimenting with different selection tools and want a quick way to move on. A good habit in Photopea is to check whether you still have a selection active before you start editing, filling, copying, or deleting. If you forget to deselect, you might only change part of your image instead of the whole layer or area you intended. That's why learning this basic step is so important for beginners. So to recap, the fastest way to deselect in Photopea is Ctrl plus D on Windows or Linux or CMD plus D on Mac. You can also go to Select and click Deselect from the top menu, and depending on the selection tool you're using, clicking outside the selection can also help you reset your workspace. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Photopea tips, shortcuts, and beginner-friendly editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.